In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use summary reports in QuickBooks Online. If you want a quick, high-level view of your business information without digging through too much detail, summary reports are a great tool to use. They help you see totals, trends, and key financial information in a clean and simple format, which makes them especially useful when you need a fast overview. To get started, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Reports. This will open the main Report section, where you can access the different report options available in QuickBooks Online. Once you're in the Reports area, look for the search bar at the top of the report list. This search bar is the easiest way to quickly find the specific report you need, especially if you already know the kind of report you're looking for. In the search bar, type the word Summary. As you do that, QuickBooks Online will filter the available reports and show you summary report options that match your search. From there, select the summary report type you want to open. The exact list may vary depending on your QuickBooks setup, but the process is the same. Search, review the options, and click the one that fits your needs. After you select the report, QuickBooks Online will run it automatically. Give it a moment to load, especially if the report covers a larger date range or includes a lot of company data. Once it finishes loading, the summary report will appear on your screen and you can begin reviewing it right away. At this point, you can customize the report using the toolbar above the report. This is where you can adjust the view to better match what you want to analyze. For example, depending on the report, you may be able to change the date range, filter certain information, or modify how the data is displayed. Taking a moment to customize the report can make it much more useful and easier to understand. As a general tip, it's a good idea to review the report carefully after making any changes so you can be sure you're looking at the exact information you need. Small adjustments in the toolbar can make a big difference in how the report is presented, and that's really all there is to it. Once you know where to find the report section, use the search bar, open a summary report, and customize it with the toolbar. You'll be able to work with summary reports in QuickBooks Online quickly and confidently.